Today in this video tutorial, we are going to add virtual themes or skins in our desktop. To make it look attractive and beautiful, using themes and visualization. For this we need software RAINMETER. So first off all we need to download RAINMETER. Open your favorite browser. Search www.rainmeter.net, links are given in description. After opening RAINMETER site you will find such kind of interface. The version available here work on all Windows operating system, Windows 10, Windows 8. You can download it and install it. I have already installed, so I will install the skins. Search for visualskin.com on browser or click on link given in description. In this website you will find many skins over here. But today we are going to install Minimalism RAINMETER skin. You directly get it from description link. So after downloading the skin, open download folder. Open skin installer. Click on install button. Wait for few seconds. After installation of skin, adjust the icons. Now, desktop looks perfect. If love this episode of modifying desktop, then press the like button, smash the subscribe button and press bell icon to get notified.